Hey babe, this is a video right after I recorded that last video for you. This is kind of a cool treat. I'm gonna get to show you my aircraft landing. So here we go. You can kind of see it off there in the distance. See it coming in. Sucker's gonna be really loud. It's probably gonna distort all the video. Oh, baby, that's surprisingly quiet. It's a lot better watching the takeoff at night because the afterburners are out back. You see all the flames and the blue and stuff. So, anyways, babe, that's my aircraft. Love you.